Today I'm going to talk about a problem with 2011, 2016 Chevy Duramax 6.6 when it doesn't start and you're priming the filter and it keeps getting air in the line. What happens is a lot of guys go to a lift pump, they can't find the leak, they don't know what's going on. Then what happens is if you don't fix the vacuum leak, it turns into a problem with the main high pressure fuel pump. The high pressure fuel pump kind of dry humps itself and is made of aluminum, so it just basically destroys itself eventually. But it's a really inexpensive part. I think it's about 40-50 bucks. You can find them online. It's called a fuel vacuum switch, and GM part number is 12641590. That's from AC Delco. And basically, right where you prime it and the fuel filter is on the passenger side, this sensor is right on the inside. It's buried there by the top of the intake or the top of the valve cover, and you'll see it in there. And they're inexpensive, and this fixes the vacuum leak. And what happens is if you put a lift pump into a model that doesn't have a lift pump, that it comes with the lift pump, what happens is that if this is bad and you put the lift pump in it, that lift pump is eventually going to blow this out, and it's going to be leaking fuel on the passenger side. Sometimes without even putting a lift pump, these get so bad they leak fuel from the passenger side, and you'll see a little smoke here and there. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put a description of the part and the part number in there, and just leave that in the description in the video. And I'll put the years that it works with. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe. I hope it helped you. Thank you.